Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was thinking I could teach you one of the easiest things that you could learn, but then people think it's really complicated because of the way it looks. But it's not as complicated as you think. I'm gonna teach you how to ride a bike. The clutch is kind of the main thing for you to shift gears in the bike. This is the front brake, this is the rear brake, and then this is the gear shifter right here. The bikes which I've ridden have 1 down and 5 up. That's how it is: first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. But if your bike has 1 up and 5 down, that's also fine. That's basically GP shifting. So yeah, you turn on the bike and then it's on neutral, and then you hold the clutch, shift to first gear, leave the clutch slowly so that the bike the bike is moving, and then give a little bit of throttle together, just like this. Give a little bit of throttle just there, like that, and then your bike is moving. So that's how you start to get a bike to move. If you want to go faster, then it's the same thing. You hold the clutch, shift to second gear, leave the clutch slowly, give the throttle, and then you're free to go. You're in second gear now, and it's all for the same gears going up, just like that. Easy. I'm in second gear, I want to shift to third gear. Hold the clutch, shift the gear, let go of the clutch slowly and the throttle a little bit, and then there you go. That's upshifting basically. Let me show you what happens if you go in the same gear continuously. So when you do that, you hear the bike, it's asking for you to shift the gear. You can hear that. It's kind of annoying and disturbing. So you shift the gear and then let the bike go slowly. Well, you're near a hump, or then you just want to downshift in general. You kind of slow down, hold the front brake, hold the rear brake just a little bit, hold the clutch, downshift, and then let go of the clutch, give a little bit of throttle. That's it. That's basically it. That I learned how to ride a bike. Pretty easy, right? Not really. It'll take you some time, few days for you to get used to this. I'm in third gear right now. I have to slow down because there's a turn. I hold the brakes, hold the clutch, shift down, let go of the clutch slowly, give throttle, and I'm good to go. Now I want to upshift. The bike is asking me to shift up. Hold the clutch, shift up, leave the clutch slowly, give throttle, and I'm good to go. That's pretty much it. And then you can keep going. Fourth, fifth, I can go to sixth, but and when you're at humps, it's good to be in second gear. Second gear is your best friend basically. The more you're in second gear, the more easier it is for you to learn. I mean, you'll understand what I'm talking about as you go on learning about bikes. And when you're holding the brakes, don't hold the brakes suddenly. No, both of the brakes, back or front, don't hold it suddenly. You just have to give them quick, just like that. Look at my hand, look at my fingers, just so much. That's all the brakes are. And then yeah, that's all it is. I actually have to turn right. We'll see. Hold the clutch, shift up, let go of the clutch slowly, throttle. I left the clutch completely free. Now brakes. Hold the clutch, shift down, let go of the clutch slowly, let the clutch do its thing, throttle. That's all it is. Easy, right? I know it's not. It took me some time, but if you have the passion and interest, you can do anything. So good luck with that, my friends. But yeah, Hopefully you guys learned how to ride a bike from my video. I don't know if it was detailed or good enough to teach you how stuff is. Hope you liked the video, and if you found it helpful, then please give a like, subscribe, and drop down comments below, because I like talking to you guys. So let me know if you want anything else on this bike, because this is the only bike I have. I mean, my dad has a Royal Enfield 350. If you want videos on those, you can comment and we'll see. Until then, peace.